what is Ashkenaz?
Okay. It's many aspects, including, of course, history. It's very important. The constitution, the formation, and of this the Jewish society in Europe. So it's compared to other parts of the Jewish world. So it's you have you have specific practices. You have so this aspect, historical and aspect, is very important. Also, this let's say social and religious aspect also is very important. But it's also to be a member of a community and to share the same values, the same references, the same language, the same culture, the same books, the same music, the same food, the same and to have common values and common references to define a specific identity and a specific way to behave and to respect all these value, and also to defend and to struggle for the continuity of this tradition and to keep this identity and to strengthen it as much as possible by studying, by being member of a community, by all these different aspects. And you see, so as I told you, it's there is a historical and roots, deep roots that we have to know and to study. And also, as a member of society, of a community, you have to take part and to be a member and to participate and to defend your own values, your own identity. And also, because in Europe, anti-Semitism is it's a real social problem. So you have also to fight to defend your own identity and to yes. So it's all these aspect of vertical and horizontal must be could define what is Ashkenazi society, and to be a member of this history and of this society.